being an entrepreneur is suffering pain, psychic pain. You get very little support. You're really on your own. The reality of it was, oh my goodness, what did I do? And the problem is, once you launch the ship, it either stays on the water or it goes down below. It's almost like an athlete. You have to suck it up and go through whatever that wall of pain is that you do in training. Reassess where you are. Make sure what you're doing as a vision is still in touch with reality. And if people just aren't responding, you try different ways, but you never give up. You never stop, because you will prevail if you have a worthy fantasy that is in touch with reality, where you're delivering something new and really great to people. And the fact that they're not accepting you is just temporary, and you have to outlast them, and you never stop.